Hello, this is Arnold from Steel Mama. Today we will test the two machines for window climb. That one is TR4 and TR6 double layer roofing machine. And this one is TR5 machine. And this one machine is a little difference with the other machine is we see there is two parts. There is two dies on the front of the machine. And this part is for hydraulic cutting. It's cutting dies. And this one is for the curving. You can see the mode. It's for curving. So we put the curving and the reforming in one machine. So it will save your place. Also, you also can set automatic one after reforming. Then we do curving too. Then now we will see the machines for TR5 machines. We use 16 stations rollers to form the shape. And we use the 30mm the round bar, and this one is 16mm thickness plate. Also, we have the steel bar on the bottom, so the machine will be much stronger than the bolt type. For the chain, we use 1-inch chain. And you see, this machine is with curving, so we put the upper roller, the down roller on the upper, because the material one we put will be opposite. 把这个反过来。The sheet will be opposite. You see on the bottom there is film. The film is on the bottom. This part will be upper because the machine need opposite to do the reforming. This is our feeding part. 放平，哎。This part is the feeding. Our feeding also stronger than other type. And for this one, we can adjust the coil width. So it's 1,200, 1,220, 1,250, 3 kinds of width for coil. Now we start the machine. 送一下。At the first of the part coil, we need to do the feeding. So you see the wheel is on the bottom, it's opposite. And now you see we already pass some rollers. So one machine up to the encoder. Up to the encoder, you need carefully because for the encoder. Now it will pass the cutting. When it passes the cutting, also need careful. 没事，扶一下。That's the first part of the coil, so we need to do some support because it will be lower when it's forming. A little pass the blade unless it will. Okay, now it's okay. Then we can cut first. Then we start automatic. 这能过来是。Because there is a curving device. 走，过来了。So this machine, there is two functions. First function is we only produce the flat sheet without curving. Second part is for flat sheet without curving. When you produce the long sheet, will be no problem. Now we just use the sheet. Okay, this is the flat sheet. We can check this one. Later we check the size. 然后这回再射冲完。It's for flat sheet. Then now we will do the curving. Now we will test the curving. You will see how to do that. Inside put the
长度也得是，
长度也得是。啊。The total sheet is 1.5 meters. Then the distance is 30mm, 33mm. We will press 12 times. And now This why it's manuals because it's the distance between blade and the coiling. Okay, now we will start. You see, at first we produce the flat sheet. Now we do coiling. Now it's coiling. We set 12 time for coiling. And the distance between this one is 30 millimeter. Okay, this is the coiling part because there is a film on the surface, so you see the double size a little go inside. Okay, this you see. We set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We set 12 times and the distance is 33 millimeter. So it's like this. And you also can adjust this one smaller. So we can set 25 also. So already like this. You see. Okay, now it's coiling. And we also produce the flat sheet. This flat sheet. So this machine is one machine for two functions. So, we now we do some measurement. Double layer machine. This one is TR5 machines with crimping. So you get two machines, but you get 4 profiles. Okay, today we finish the testing for Below client. So if you need any reforming machines, please contact us. Steel Mama is professional for roofing sheet machines, for CD plane machines, for decking floor machines, and we also have other reforming machines. So if you need any machines, please contact us. This is Arnold from Steel Mama. Bye bye.